All right, what's up everyone? Welcome back to another interior repair video. Today we're working on a Range Rover Evoque. One of my car dealership accounts called me out. They said they had a Range Rover that had some cracking and kind of just complete wear on the seat right when you get into the car. They had a customer come and look at it. The customer complained about that and did not buy it. They bought something else, so that was good, but they did not buy that car. So just because of right when they opened that driver door, that was the first thing they saw, which isn't good. So they called us out. We went out and properly repaired it and properly color matched it so that it's a perfect repair and you can't see any damage or anything that was there before. So I apologize. I did film. There's actually the main part of the seat bolster, the lower part of the seat bolster, a scratch on the seat, and then a big scratch on the back seat. And I had filmed it, but apparently I didn't hit record, or I hit record and then accidentally turned it off or something. So I didn't get all that. So you will see the full repair of the main seat bolster. And then at the end, you'll see all the other spots that we did repair as well. But unfortunately, we don't have any before pictures of that for you. So sorry about that. But anyways, we're gonna go ahead and hop into the video. Enjoy and let me know if you have any questions. Again, all the products that we use are linked down in the description below. If you're interested in this business, reach out to me. Just comment down below and let me know what you guys think. We appreciate it and enjoy the video. All right, so I'm gonna start by taking some 600 grit sandpaper and just sanding the whole area down. You wanna be careful with the stitching as much as you can. Now with this one, we're not gonna have to tape off the stitching because it is the same color as the leather. So no worries there, but you just don't want to damage the leather if you don't have to. Alrighty, now I'm going to take my cleaner, apply it to a microfiber towel, and clean the seat. Okay, now that I've got the area cleaned, I'm going to use my XR10 air dry filler, and basically I'm just going to lightly spread it onto the affected area, let it air dry, and then we'll go from there. And the key with this is just to go in light coats. And you want to stay off of the stitching as much as possible, as always. This spot here is pretty tricky because the damage is actually right underneath the stitching, so I have to get on there a little bit, but we'll try and limit that as much as possible. Guys, with this filler, since it's pretty much the same exact color as the material itself, as the leather, it's really hard to see what it's actually doing, so you just want to kind of overwork the area a little bit just to make sure that you're getting every spot covered. On a darker color, you can actually see this kind of filling in all the cracks and all that kind of stuff, but again, on this color it's a little bit difficult, so just make sure you're being really detailed and make sure you get in every little crack. Alright guys, now that the air dry filler is drying, I'm going to go ahead and try and find the color using my swatch ring. Just going to go run through all the colors, find a match, go mix that up so that we're ready to go once this is all dry and ready to go. Alright guys, now once again I'm going to be applying my high tack primer base. You can see see if I can adjust the light here for you. And again, I'm just gonna be rubbing this on with a sponge. Oops, there we go. Rubbing it on with a sponge just to let it set up so that it is ready. I like to kind of rub it in like this, and then I like to use the sponge and kind of stamp it. This creates a little bit of a texture as well. Once that hardens up, it creates a little bit of a texture, and I like that. It just helps the repair blend together. All right guys, so I have mixed up my color now, and I'm just going to dab a little bit on the sponge, rub it onto the panel, hit it with a heat gun, and just make sure that my color is matched. If not, I'll go and adjust it, but this color in particular is kind of a funky one to match, but we'll see how it looks. All right, so definitely a little bit dark. And so I'm gonna go ahead and lighten that up, and it's a little bit too gray too. So I'm gonna add a little bit of 160, which is an onyx yellow or something like that. I can't remember the name of it, but that should adjust the color and then we'll be good. All right, that looks like a perfect color match. So we're gonna go ahead and start working on filling it in. I'm gonna apply the first layer just by sponge, and then I'll come in and airbrush the rest. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and start prepping the area for paint. All right, guys, so now I apologize. I know the shadows are kind of getting in the way, but basically everything's prepped. I'm just gonna shoot it now. If you guys are interested in exactly how I mixed up my color and how I got the match, I'm gonna link a video right here at the top, and you can click on that one. It'll go into the full explanation on how I mix the colors, and you can check that out as well. All right, so as always, I got my airbrush, and I'm going to do a test spray outside of the vehicle. So I'll be out here just testing the pattern of the spray nozzle to make sure that it's what I want. All right, guys, so here's the final result. So you can see that seat bolster is completely repaired. No more cracks, no more wear marks, no more dirty look. Everything looks perfect. The lower part of the seat bolster as well, so you can see, is all perfect. All the little nicks and marks that were in the seat are gone. The big scratch that was up here is gone. You can still see a slight bit of it right there, but virtually gone. If you didn't know it was there, you wouldn't see it. And then in the back seat, the big cut that was across that back seat is gone as well. You can see it's a perfect color match. The repair is all perfect. Everything looks great. Once again, to show you the seat bolster, just because it came out perfect. And so guys, if you are interested in this industry, it's a great money maker. Again, I more than doubled my income from my detailing business when I brought this service in. All the products that we use are linked down in the description below, so go check those out. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thanks so much.